When it shifts, it goes.
No, it's more of a...
Good news, just a simple shift solenoid.
Exactly what I thought. The solar shiftanoid.
It's like a cane.
It's just your mom's.
Oh.
I don't know what this light is.
That's your check engine light. We'll check it for you.
Oh, thanks.
It's kind of like a Is that bad?
When I try to start it, it goes ring.
For nearly 50 years, AAMCO centers have fixed the most complicated system in your car, the transmission. So it's no wonder people come to us for everything.
So it's every time I make a right turn, it just sounds like a...
Check engine light on? We'll check it for free. AAMCO.